Hi guys, Craig with Thirsty's Lawn Care, and you've got your host. That might be getting a little old. Anyways, guys, two things I just wanted to say. I got the windshield cleaned in the inside, so I've done a couple of hyper lapses, and you notice there's dirt on the windshield, so hopefully that's fixed. Secondly, I got my energy. I got my macaroons, my jubes. That's what fuels me when I gotta go out and do some quoting today. Sorry, I just gotta get the emergency brake here. I got quite a few quote requests for different things this week. I think maybe people are winter finally hit, and then also people are just tired of winter and are thinking forward towards the spring. It's nice when you get to space out the quoting. Maybe you get some of these quotes out of the way for the spring. This week I quoted a commercial place. They wanted weekly grass cutting, they wanted flower beds, weed it regularly, and they wanted garbage pickup every week during the lawn care season. So I put all those services together, and it's like about a $7,000 quote. I'm not sure if I'm off on that, but if they want me to do those services, that's the price that I've quoted, and I don't have a lot of wiggle room. The good thing about those quotes sometimes is I find if I'm off on my numbers a little bit, I'll recoup it in the grass cutting price. So like if I made sure the grass cutting price is a good spot, and if you have to gain some money there, that's where you get it. So I'm off to do a quote on an existing snow removal customer. They wanted a quote on another area, and then another person called me for a snow removal quote at a duplex that they just bought, and it's already rented out. And yeah, I'm hoping to knock those two out, and then I got some run around to do. I gotta wash the truck. You saw the other video that it was pretty darn filthy. It's been damn cold here as well. This week's been minus 20 all week. In Fahrenheit, that's like -4 Fahrenheit. And yeah, it's not the best. Not the most motivating to go outside, but a lot of the winter, when you're not working, you are stuck inside anyways. Yesterday I did a dump run. You'll see that video up on Monday. I guess not the Monday I'm talking about, but anyways. And I got some other dump runs scheduled, so I'm hoping to maybe do that for the rest of the winter. A lot of dump runs, and that'll recoup some of the snow removal money that I decided to do less this year. So that'll recoup some of that money lost, but I don't call it money lost. I call it sanity gained. I'm feeling much happier, even though we're in a lockdown 2.0 and I had to do homeschooling. I'm still in a very positive outlook on life, so that's an awesome plus. I'm not stressed every time it snows because I understand that it's doable and that I will do a good job, and my customers will be happy, and we'll move on. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys after quoting, and we'll wrap up the video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. So yeah, we're at the place here. It's like a duplex. So you got one parking spot here, and then the sidewalk is taken care of by the city. You just walk up here. This is kind of like the main back alley that people drive into the back of their houses. So I'm assuming you're gonna kind of clean this driveway here a little bit. And then they just said 2 spots at the back that need to be cleared. And then that's about all. So pretty simple. I think I'd be interested. There isn't really much lawn care here, so that's the only drawback. So yeah, guys, I sent away that quote through email. I use Yardbooks, and I like getting these late in the winter quotes for snow removal. I'm just kind of charging for 2 months, but you get a little bit more money than you would for the whole season, because I'm not going to take them on late and not make money off it. So anyways, yeah, thanks for watching today, guys. A short one again. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button, click that like button if you enjoy the content, and share it with somebody you know that it needs some help in snow removal or in lawn care. And yeah, until the next time, guys, take care, stay safe. We'll talk to you in the next one.